Hi, our eyes are the most attractive feature of our face. It is also associated with health and well-being. So a bright under eye instantly gives you a fresh, youthful look, while a dark under eyes can make you look tired and older than your age. Having dark circles is a common problem in our region. So we get a lot of patients, both men and women, who approach us with the problem of darkening under their eyes. In this video, I'll be telling you all the causes that are responsible for dark circles and also how to deal with them. I make videos on skin care and on hair transplantation. If such content is of interest to you, then please subscribe to the channel. ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखने के लिए प्लीज़ ऊपर आई कार्ड में प्रेस कीजिए. So what are the causes for dark circles? First and foremost, the skin under your eyes is very thin. This makes the vessels that is present under the eyes visible on the surface. So vessels in this area are blue in color. That's why you tend to sometimes get a bluish tinge or a bluish hue under your eyes, and that can make your dark circles appear even darker. Even the process of aging can lead to dark circles. Because there is thinning of skin in this area, there is also protrusion of fat. This can lead to eye bags and making this area look more dull and tired. With age, you can also develop tear troughs. This is a depression that is present between your lower eyelid and the cheeks. This can also make your dark circles appear worse. Dark circles could also be due to deep set eyes. So your skin under the eyes are not dark, but due to shadow effect from the overlying bony structure of your orbit, that leaves a shadow on the under eye area, making your under eye area darker. So if you have deep set sunken eyes, then your dark circles tend to be even more prominent. One of the most common causes for dark circles is rubbing of the eyes. Okay, a lot of people have this habit of rubbing their eyes and they feel that it gives them relief and makes them feel better for a few minutes. But this action is completely harming the skin under your eyes. As the skin under your eyes is thin, even gentle rubbing can lead to injury to the skin, and over a period of time, it can lead to thickening of skin under this area. So that's why you should really not rub your under eyes. If you have glasses and you're not wearing them, that can also lead to darkening of the under eye area. Because you are trying to make an effort to focus, you tend to cringe your eyes. And this leads to fatigue of muscles around your eyes. So at the end of the day, rubbing this area tends to give a relief. Hence, it is very important to wear glasses if you have them, especially if you have to work in front of a screen for prolonged periods of time. Also, because of the long hours spent in front of the screen, it can lead to dark circles appearing worse. Even sinusitis, nasal congestion, allergies, and contact dermatitis can lead to dark circles. You could be allergic to eye drops that you're using, or cosmetics, or even nail polish. Okay, and even the under eye creams, a lot of under eye creams contain plant extracts, so it could actually be worsening your dark circles. Even eczema can lead to dark circles. If you have atopic dermatitis, in which there is dryness and itching on the skin, this can also be associated with darkening under the eyes. Prolonged exposure to sun can also lead to darkening of the skin under the eyes. So whenever you're outdoors and you know you're going to be out in the sun for a long time, make sure you wear thick sunglasses. There are certain lifestyle changes that can also lead to dark circles, such as lack of sleep, increased intake of caffeine, and sitting in front of a computer screen for a long period of time. Even consumption of alcohol and smoking can make your dark circles appear worse. Iron deficiency or certain hormonal changes can also lead to dark circles. There is a condition called acanthosis nigricans in which you see dark circles. In acanthosis nigricans, you see darkening of skin in your neck area, in your underarms area, under your breast, and in your groin. So if you have dark circles along with darkening of the forehead, sides of the face, around the mouth, and areas such as neck, underarms, and groin, then you could be having acanthosis nigricans. Dark circles could also be genetic. So if you have family members who have dark circles, then there's a high chance that you will also suffer from it. So what are the treatment options for dark circles? First and foremost, I want to start by saying that it is very difficult to treat dark circles. Okay, you might never get rid of it completely, but we can make it better. We can make your skin appear brighter and less hyperpigmented. But can you completely get rid of dark circles? Might not be possible. So there are no creams in the market or no procedure that can completely get rid of your dark circles. So I want you to understand this and be patient with treatment. The response can be slow when you're treating dark circles. There are no creams which can treat all types of dark circles. In the comment section, we are flooded with questions asking us for recommendations for dark circle cream. There is no cream which can treat all types of dark circles. So for me to recommend a cream for you will be very difficult. First, we need to understand what is the cause for dark circle. If you have deep set eyes or you have dark circles due to either allergies or due to tear trough, then there is no cream that can really make it better. So our approach is always to first find the cause and then to treat it. So what are the do's and don'ts if you have dark circles? First, you have to wear sunglasses whenever you are outdoors. Second, you have to moisturize your under eye area well. Make sure you use a bland moisturizer which does not have any color or does not have any fragrance. So you can use this under your eyes to keep this area hydrated and moisturized. If you have refractive error and have power, it's best to wear your glasses. At least when you're working on the screen, on your computer or looking down on your phone, you would want to wear these glasses. You should cut down on your caffeine intake if you have dark circles. Also, you should try to take a break from screen time. So if you have to sit in front of the computer for a prolonged period of time, try to make sure that every half an hour to an hour you look away from the screen and blink your eyes a few times in order to give it a little bit of rest. And what should you not do if you have dark circles? You should absolutely not rub your eyes. So please break the habit of rubbing your eyes. It is only going to make your dark circles worse and is also going to lead to early appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So please refrain from rubbing your eyes. So what can be done for dark circles? There are certain creams that can be used which can lead to some lightening of the skin under your under eye area. So these creams usually contain kojic acid, arbutin, lactic acid, vitamin C, vitamin K, retinol and very low concentration of hydroquinone. If you have fine lines and wrinkles along with dark circles under your eyes, then you should use a cream containing retinol. Retinol will help in building collagen, hence reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you have prominent blood vessels under your eyes and your dark circles appear bluish, then you should look for vitamin K in your under eye cream. The under eye creams that I usually prescribe are Eye Bliss cream, Wonder Eye cream, Avarta under eye cream and ROC under eye cream. There are certain procedures at a dermatologist's office that you can undergo if you have dark circles. You could go for chemical peels. We use mild peels to treat the under eye area. We use low concentration of glycolic acid such as 10 to 20% glycolic acid or 30% lactic acid, kojic acid, arginine, mandelic acid. So these are usually used for treating the under eye area. We need to take multiple sessions of these peels. These need to be repeated every 10 days to 2 weeks and you may need to take 8 to 10 sessions to notice improvement. So our aim with doing chemical peeling and dark circles is to shed the pigmented skin so that the newer, fresher skin is tighter and less pigmented so that your dark circles appear less prominent. You could also go for sessions of Nd:YAG laser. Nd:YAG laser can help in reducing the pigmentation under your eyes. We have to use very low fluence when we are treating the under eye area. So we need to take multiple sessions. We cannot give very high power as it is a very delicate, sensitive region. So we have to give multiple sessions in low power. So you may need about 4 to 6 sessions of Nd:YAG laser before you can notice improvement in your dark circles. If you have prominent tear troughs, then filler is a very good option. Hyaluronic acid fillers are used for filling the under eye area. It can fill in the tear trough and make this groove appear much less. This can give you an instantly rejuvenated, more youthful appearance. This filler lasts for about 12 to 16 months, so you may need to repeat this procedure every 1 to 2 years. You could also go for a few sessions of PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy, for your under eye area. What we do in PRP is, we take your blood, we centrifuge it, we remove the platelet concentrate from your blood and we inject it under your eyes. This can rejuvenate the skin under your eyes, improve fine lines and wrinkles, and also the pigmentation. So this will give a more youthful look to your under eye area and also make it more hydrated and brighter. If you have darkening of the under eye area along with puffiness and eye bags, then you might need to go for blepharoplasty, which is a lower eyelid surgery. So in blepharoplasty, we make a small incision on your lower eyelid and remove the excess fat. This will reduce the appearance of eye bags under your eyes. It can lead to a significant change in appearance if you have heavy eye bags. You could also do some camouflage techniques in order to reduce the darkening. You can use concealer under your eyes to reduce the appearance of dark circles. I know it is not a permanent solution, but concealers can help in improving the appearance of your under eye. If you're under some treatment and have not completely finished it, concealers can also help you in improving your under eye area till you get the results by the other procedures that you're taking. Remember that whenever you use a concealer, you have to moisturize the skin under your eyes very well. Okay, the skin has to be properly moisturized before the concealer goes on. Otherwise, what is going to happen is that the concealer is going to crease and it will make your fine lines and wrinkles appear worse. Best way is to apply a primer under your eyes, then apply a coat of concealer, then immediately set it with compact powder. This will reduce the chances of the concealer sliding off and also settling into your crease. We can also use certain color correctors for your under eyes. If you have very dark under eyes, then you can use concealer with a reddish or an orange hue to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Now I'll be telling you certain home remedies that you can do to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Remember that there is no home remedy that can completely get rid of your dark circles. Okay, so this can only improve the appearance and make the skin under your eyes appear bright. There are a lot of recipes going around on the internet which claim to completely get rid of your dark circles. Please do not use any kind of harmful, harsh material on your under eye because your skin in this area is very soft and you don't want to irritate the skin further. Please refrain from using ingredients such as lemon, baking soda or toothpaste or any kind of irritant substances under your eyes. This will only make your dark circles worse. So one of the things that you can do is apply frozen tea bags. We all do it when we need a quick fix. So you can place a few tea bags in the refrigerator. So before any occasion, you can put these tea bags on your eyes for about 5 to 10 minutes to give you a instantly rejuvenated look. So what these tea bags do is they reduce the puffiness and swelling under the eyes and gives your under eye an instantly bright look. You can also put sliced cucumber or sliced potatoes on your eyes. You can even use potato juice under your eyes. So you can grate a potato, squeeze it, take the juice out and apply this under your eyes for about 15 to 20 minutes every night. Potato juice has some antioxidant properties and tends to lighten the skin tone. This is not a quick fix. You're not going to see very instant results, but if you do it on a regular basis for about 2 to 3 months, you will definitely notice an improvement. You could also mix curd with some rose water and apply it under your eyes. Curd contains lactic acid, which is a skin lightening agent. So this can brighten your under eye area. So there you go. It was a detailed video on dark circles. It was a highly requested topic. So I hope I've covered it in detail and you have found the answers that you're looking for. If there is something I have skipped, you can always ask me questions in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them all. If you like such skin and hair related content, then you can follow me on Instagram, where I frequently post videos on skin and hair care. Thank you for watching.